she might feel a little differently, but to me, feels like this contract kind of flew by, and it's the last day for Victoria, picking her up right now. Hello!
Hello!
Where's your face mask?
I was literally just thinking that. I feel so lucky I don't have to wear it anymore, but it would be nice to be able to.
Yep, I'll flash the old times in there.
I'm done.
Oh. Hello, last day girl.
Hello.
Last day, how was it?
It was actually pretty rough.
Really?
Yeah, of course it was. I should have just called out. It's fine. We got through it.
Victoria's way better at stuff like this than me because I have a hard time with goodbyes and people that I've worked with. But Victoria's like, see y'all on the next one.
Yeah, but like I also am not very good at goodbyes because I literally just normally don't do them. Yeah, I don't tell anybody that it's my last day. You know, yeah. I mean, I got a lot of well wishes from people today that just happened to find out from the manager that I was leaving. I got a hug from the manager, so they love me.
They're like, you're an A+ team player. They're gonna miss you. Overall, how would you put this hospital up against your 7 other contracts?
Oof. Well, I definitely say it is not the worst, for sure. It was a surprisingly big hospital. I would probably rate it in the
big hospital.
In the top 75th percentile, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it was pretty good. However, I will say that any given day it felt like at least 50% of the staff was travelers and a lot of people were leaving, and the ratios are starting to get worse here and there. So I wish them the best, and I hope they get more travelers in, or more core staff.
High five to you. You're officially on vacation till you're not.
Yay!
Last day means the tradition continues. Up on the wall it goes.
Things getting pretty full.
Yeah.
Second to last night in Greenville, and we decided to spend it at the place that we have absolutely spent the most time here in Greenville.
And really, it's because WILDWOOD Park, where you've seen us run a 5K, is only 2 miles from our RV park. So it's super convenient, and we get to come out and put our boards in the water, which is like one of our favorite things to do.
If you've been with us since our time in Arizona, this is kind of like our Colorado River in Yuma. It's just, you know, right in our backyard and a perfect place to put our paddle boards in and just hang out for a while.
All right, getting her all unhooked so she can get a little spa day today.
She needs it.
Oreo, you like this spot, don't you? You going to the water? Go to the water. Come this way. Well, things have come full circle today. We are currently at Goose Creek State Park, and if you remember a few weeks back, we replaced our broken axle. Well, when we discovered our broken axle was the day that we were actually trying to come here. So a little bit of redemption for us today. So as we finish up here in Greenville, we did want to get the rest of the work done that needed to be done to our travel trailer, which number one issue was we needed to replace the bearings on the axle we didn't replace.
We also need to swap out a tire, and we just wanted to get a general safety inspection.
Being that we're going to be moving around a lot in the next bunch of weeks without a home base, we want to make sure we're on the up and up safety-wise.
Now we're getting our maintenance done at Camping World, which I know not everybody's a fan of, but they were able to fit us in time for us to hit the road.
So being that our RV is over at Camping World, we had nowhere to be today, so that's why we decided to head on over to Goose Creek State Park, which is about 40 minutes away from Greenville. It's between Washington and Bath, a little closer to the coast. It's here along the Pamlico River, and I will tell you what, I feel like we kind of missed out when we didn't get here before, and we're kind of thinking about making a move to stay here tonight, depending on when we get the RV back today. But we're all going to play it by ear because, you know, we're hitting the road tomorrow. So might be able to camp out here tonight.
Most importantly, we had to make sure you were going somewhere that is dog friendly because the dogs are coming with, and I know that they are definitely living their best life right
Yeah,
now.
they sure are. Original plan was to do a hike because they have a ton of trails here, but instead we got lazy and posted up here on the beach area. Since we had a little bit of extra time to kill while the RV's getting worked on, we decided to stop off in Washington, which is only like 10 miles down the street from Goose Creek State Park. And this is one of the oldest towns in North Carolina.
Yeah, it served as an outpost during the Revolutionary War and actually was founded the same year as our country, 1776. It's considered part of North Carolina's Inner Banks, just like I believe we visited New Bern and a couple other spots. And it's situated along the Pamlico and Tar River.
Me personally, I hate using the word cute, but in fact, that's pretty much what it is. It kind of reminds us of like a tiny mini Charleston.
Yeah, and it has a lot of those older houses that have survived, and they're painted in those cute pastel colors, kind of similar to Rainbow Row in Charleston.
Yeah, a lot of history here.
Yeah.
Oreo, you ready to go be a pirate? Dave here while we wait? Why not?
Really not that surprising for us. But we're here at PITT Street Brewing, which is actually based in Greenville, but they do have a location here in Washington.
A fish just did a belly flop out in the water, sorry.
But it is very pet friendly, and it's really cute. It's right here on the river.
We got some tired puppies today. They have gotten so much fresh air.
Oh yeah, I'm tired, baby.
Look at what mommy got. You can't have any, sorry.
So we got our bearings replaced on both wheels where the axle was not replaced, and we also got a tire swapped out, and after labor and everything, it added up to just under $600.
Pretty penny.
Oh my goodness.
There she is. All right, getting packed up for the last time here at Whispering Oaks.
It actually makes me a little sad.
It does a little bit.
Well, my contract is done and our time in Greenville has pretty much come to an end, and while we didn't spend a whole lot of time here, we did definitely enjoy exploring our home state of North Carolina and seeing things here that we'd never seen before.
And when it comes to home bases, this place right here at Whispering Oaks RV Park lands really close to the top of our list. And it's not just about the RV park necessarily, it's definitely about the people.
But it doesn't hurt that the park is awesome as well. Like, the spaces are super spread out. The dogs have never had more room to run around. They have a fully stocked pond that you can fish in. Really, the only thing that it's missing is a bathhouse, so you do have to be self-contained. But overall, we absolutely love the park.
Yeah, and we've mentioned how awesome they are before, but Wayne and Tatiana, the RV park owners, have really helped us in a couple of tough situations. So to repay them, I put together a little intro video for their website, so we'll let you check it out. And if you're ever in the Greenville area, definitely give them a shout for a place to stay. And now you're asking yourself, what's next for you guys? Well, we're gonna be on the loose plan for the next few weeks while Victoria is here on fun employment. And in terms of our next location, we're gonna figure it out during that time period, and we'll let you know as soon as we do. We'll keep you updated as we go.
We don't know exactly where we're going to be the next couple of weeks, but we do know that we're going to try to hang out in the mountains of Virginia and North Carolina, and we're going to try to fit in as many summer outdoor activities that we can.
And we mentioned yesterday, we really kind of wanted to spend a night at Goose Creek State Park. Well, we woke up this morning and decided that's exactly what we're going to do. So that is our next stop. We'll show you around the place a little bit. We're going to let the puppies play in the water, might play a DJ set, and we don't really know where we're going to be after that, but we do know that you'll be coming along with us. So we'll catch y'all next Sunday.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Honestly, I think I'm more sad to leave this RV park than I am the hospital. Very attached to this place.
It is a great RV park, that is for sure. Site number 11. All right, let's back her on in.